Here is a simple and easy samosa recipe. Dumpling samosa recipe. Ingredients. For the dough cover. 2 cups all-purpose flour maida. 4 tablespoons oil or ghee. 1/2 tsp salt. Water as needed to knead dough. For the filling potato masala. 3 medium potatoes boiled and mashed. 1/2 cup green peas boiled or frozen. 1 tsp cumin seeds. 1 to 2 green chilies finely chopped. 1 tsp grated ginger. 1/2 tsp turmeric powder. 1/2 tsp red chili powder. 1 tsp coriander powder. 1/2 tsp garam masala. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon oil. Fresh cilantro chopped. For frying. Oil for deep frying. Cook instructions. Step 1. Make the dough. 1. In a bowl, mix all-purpose flour and salt. 2. Add oil and rub it into the flour until it becomes crumbly. 3. Slowly add water and knead into a firm dough. 4. Cover and rest the dough for 30 minutes. Step 2. Make the filling. 1. Heat oil in a pan. Add cumin seeds and let them crackle. 2. Add ginger green chilies and sauté for a few seconds. 3. Add turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, and mix. 4. Add boiled potatoes and peas. Mix everything well. 5. Add salt and garam masala. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. 6. Add chopped cilantro and turn off the heat. Let it cool. Step 3. Shape the samosas. 1. Divide the dough into small balls and roll each into an oval shape. 2. Cut each oval in half to make 2 parts. 3. Take 1 part, fold into a cone shape, and seal the edge with water. 4. Fill with potato mixture and seal the top properly. Step 4. Fry the samosas. 1. Heat oil in a deep pan on medium heat. 2. Fry samosas in batches until golden and crispy. 3. Drain on paper towels. Fork and knife with plate. Serve with tamarind chutney, green mint chutney, ketchup. Let me know if you want an air fryer version or baked version too.